Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
When the people want to keep party, the police are pass. Everybody have to bend down. See the police are pass.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. So I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media where it is said that many persons hide from the police within the country of Jamaica while they were at a illegal party that had been held somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. That's what I'm saying to you about that video being talked about on social media. Some persons on social media seems to found that video to be funny. See? You can let me know what you think about that video as well, alright? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have one more video I'm going to present to you. But before I present that video to you, I want to give you an update about the incident where it is said that there was a standoff between persons who are said to be Maroons and armed men, and according to a news article it is said that those armed men are members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. See? So give you certain details about that, but before I get into certain details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I read a news article about a standoff between persons who are said to be members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the persons who are said to be Maroons from the place that is known as a compound town that is within the parish of St. Elizabeth, that's within the country of Jamaica. And according to some things that I read in the news article, I got the understanding that because a person who goes by the name of Richard Curry, who is said to be the chief of the Maroons in a compound town, St. Elizabeth, can be seen with a gun, especially in a video circulating on social media. Firearm licensing authority within the country of Jamaica said that they'll be probing the incident. Now, in my words, according to some things that Richard Curry said in a edited video that I saw circulating on social media, I got the understanding that he said that as a duly elected representative of his people, he had been charged to defend and protect his people, and that we are no longer living in a time of slingshots, spears and bow and arrows, and that we are living in a time of modern warfare like guns and bombs and so on, and that he will use modern means to defend his people. He also said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he must let the entire Jamaican public know that he's not seeking permission to defend his people. It is his duty to defend his people, and it should be the duty of any leader to do the same. See? Please bear in mind that I just explained to you in my words according to the things that he said in the edited video that I saw. Now, viewers and subscribers, when it comes on to the whole standoff incident between police and the Maroons, I have one question to ask. What were those members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was doing at that place when the incident happened? You see me? I'm just wondering. You see? Anyways, for those who do not have a full understanding about the standoff between police and Maroons in a compound town, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about the incident. Alright? Now I'm going to move on to another video. Now I'm going to present to you a video that is going to show two females who said some things that gave me the understanding that one of those females shown in the video took legal actions against her own auntie because her auntie put a property up for sale. In my point of view, the video is about a dispute between family members over a property that had been put up for sale. I'm not sure if it's just the building alone that been put up for sale or if it's the building and the land that been put up for sale. No. Anyways, the video had been recorded somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. I do not know when the video was recorded, and please bear in mind that the video also shows at least one more other person other than those two females that had been shown in the video. Alright? Now, even though you have some persons who might say there are more than one sides to a story, viewers and subscribers, I want you to look at this video and tell me what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Tell me if you think the auntie that had been mentioned in this video is being unfair, or if the auntie was not being unfair. Tell me what you think. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
What is this here? Look at this.
For sale.
Could you tell the Bahamian people why you decided to put your aunt in court?
The reason we are here today is because we needed justice on behalf of my siblings and I. And we're here with our attorney, Maria Daxon. We need justice for our family and my siblings. This building is named after my grandmother's name, Rosa Alday. She's deceased now over 30 plus years. She left three children. Three children were supposed to be receiving revenue from this building, and income should have been shared between the three of them. That never happened. To this day, it is now for sale. And so we're here to get justice on behalf of my siblings and I, because my aunt never negotiated or came to us and discussed anything about selling this building. And that's the reason why we're here. We're not here to fight or to fuss, but we just want justice. Justice in the right and the legal way. She never discussed with us. We served her a letter in the month of March of this year, telling her that we could come together as a family and negotiate how best we could go moving forward with all of the assets of my grandmother. That never happened.
What happened to your mother?
My mother now is deceased.
When?
She was deceased in 2019. And my aunt is also deceased this last year. And my grandmother was deceased about 30 years. And so she left three children. The three children, all of the assets should have been split between the three of the siblings. That never happened. But to this day, we are standing in front of a building that was saying for sale. My aunt never discussed anything with my mom. My aunt deceased, and now we are the siblings of my mom, come similar. And all we want is justice. And so we have our attorney here, so we could get justice within this matter in the right and legal way.
Let me ask you something. Could you please kindly tell the Bahamian people what is your aunt name, where your aunt used to work, and what is your aunt doing now?
My aunt name is Ruth Charlton.
Who?
Ruth Charlton.
Okay. Where she used to work?
She was a permanent secretary for the Prime Minister's office for 30 plus years. She's now retired. 3 years she's been retired. And currently she's in the building and she works within the store. And that is what she does currently at the time.
So are you trying to tell the Bahamian people that your mother and your aunt who died never got no benefit from this store, even though your grandmother left it to the three children?
No, ma'am. There was nothing that was shared between my mom, my aunt, and my other aunt who now was deceased. Only one person got all the benefit, and that's the lady who I mentioned, Ruth Charlton. She's getting all the benefit, and she never gave anything to her two other siblings. And now they're deceased, and we are the offspring of our parents, and she never came to us and negotiated anything. And so here it is, she's selling the building.
Do you know how much she's selling this building for now?
Well, there's a price that is going on Facebook for $280,000.
So what you think your aunt would do with this $280,000 if she was to get this building sold without you or your siblings knowing about it?
Well, firstly, she should have contacted us if she was going to be honest about it, because she's not the only owner of this building. Okay, the matter of fact, she's doing it by herself. It tells me that she's going to do whatever with the money, because she never consulted us. So for that reason, I don't think she will do anything otherwise, because we gave her a letter so we could come together and discuss it, but she never did that. She never reached out to us. So if she never reached out to us, the letter from March of this year.
This is the letter from my fellow Bahamians. The letter is, look at the letter. It was addressed to Ms. Charlton, asking her to meet. That was from March of this year. And instead of she meeting to have a conversation with her nieces and her nephew, she decided to sell this building. I don't want to put all the Bahamian people on notice. If you buy this building, this is prior notice. We coming after you for the benefits. Don't y'all sell this building unless this building is properly probated. If it's not properly probated, don't sell this building. I see you with the female name, Tonic Major, 447-1805. Come this way, you have to say it. Come this way. Gavel 1, Realty, for sale, Tonic Major, 447-1805. And please don't sell this building. If you sell this building is in court. This is a state of the grandmother. It is in court, ma'am. My fellow Bahamians. See, that's her right there. My fellow Bahamians, she's in the store, but she don't want to come up. You can take off your mask and tell the Bahamian people what you have to say and how you feel about this whole thing.
My name is Stephen Sumner. I'm Thelma Sumner's son. Ruth is the youngest auntie. My mom died 2 years ago, and she never attended the funeral. There's so much hate she has for the family. So 5 months ago, we got together as a family, and we said, you know what? Before we take any serious action, we're going to give a chance. We're going to go and send the lawyer, send her a letter so we can negotiate, and have a little nice, reasonable conversation and forget everything that she's done to my mother in the past. And we can move on forward from there. But she don't want to go that way. She want to go to court and fight until she finds the results. This is how much hate she has for the family. So 10 years, she's working with us and she's doing a nice job. And I really thank her for that. And I'm here to expose her. Ruth used to work for the government for all these years.
And for 30 plus years, you were trying to say she never sat down with your family and discuss how much money she was generating from the store?
Never.
So far as you're concerned, she thinks she owned the store.
Yes.
Even though the store is in your grandmother's name.
In my grandmother's name.
My fellow Bahamians, I have a lot of cases going on like this. It is not right for this family have to go through. And it always appears, every time in my office, it's always be the youngest siblings who believe they're smarter than the older siblings. And they are the ones who get educated, go to school and come back. And when they come back, they think they have everything underneath control. For this woman, Ruth Charlton, to do this to her family, this is unbelievable, unthinkable, unacceptable. All these children want now is what belongs to their mother. And she cannot take everything and pack up and go. Because they believe she getting ready to go move to the States, where all her children are, with the money from this shop. She cannot be able to do that and get by with this. I put on a notice. We want those bank accounts. And how much money this shop being generated for 30 plus years. Since you was in control, that was supposed to share 3 ways. My clients then want their mother portion. Y'all have anything else to say?
And that's simply it. All we want is justice. If justice was served from the beginning, we would have never been standing here. But that was never served. My mom cried many nights, tears. I had to wipe her tears many nights. And she cried. The last time she had a conversation with her sister, she cried and she said, I leave you to the Lord. Because I never did you anything. And why would you ever do something like this to me? And I began to say, Mom, we're going to get justice for all of the nonsense that your sister put you through. And you don't deserve it. You was a loving, caring sister to her. And at the end of the day, she decided to do this evil to you. And so, we are here to defend our mom. We are here to defend our mom. And all we want is justice. There's no love lost. But all we want is justice. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Welcome. My fellow Bahamians, hear what they want? They want justice. That's all they want, you know. I just want you to look at this store carefully. This is on Robinson Road, right? Opposite the DNA National Headquarters. So when you pass this store, just remember, she's still looking to go sell it. Just remember, my fellow Bahamians, this building is in court. And these siblings here, it's more than them. They want justice for their mother. And they aunt, Ruth Charlton, look like she ain't never want to give it to them because she been making money from the store for 30 plus years. And a matter of fact, as a little child, my mother used to come here and pick out dresses for me. And for now, for this woman to go and sell this without these siblings getting their mother portion, it is not right. Good afternoon, my fellow Bahamians.
Wow. Well, viewers and subscribers, and I real, I don't see nothing wrong with sharing, you know. Yes, I don't see nothing wrong with sharing. Especially among family members. As I say, I don't see nothing wrong with sharing. Right? In my point of view, sharing bring a tighter bond between persons, whether you're family or not. You see? I mean, for example, if someone in our family has sell a building and if them decide to never share the money with all or some of my family members, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, you see? Or maybe them can just come together and turn the building or the property into a big enough business where everybody can survive. You see? Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, you know, because in my point of view, I think I am right, you see it? So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with sharing. See? But I guess that each have their own story and their own belief, you know what I mean? It's just really sad to see how certain things have to turn out some of the times, you see it? Yeah, and I really, you see it. Anyways, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and let me know what you think about the update that I gave you about the standoff between Maroons and persons who are said to be members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!